name's Emily Erickson. I'm an associate professor of sociology at Yale University. I had a faculty workshop on social networks, an introduction to doing historical social networks, which was a lot of fun. I attended an exhibition of the final projects of a number of students.
I'm Arkam Khan. I'm a junior at Habib. I'm the main curator of this exhibition. The exhibition revolves around Dr. Emily's lecture, which frames networks and how they came into being. So we explore the earlier forms of network in this world, and we're just illustrating how networks were back in the 1800s before internet actually existed. So the networks are ships, railways, telegraphs, and we're just like how they came into being in South Asia.
My name is Dr. Hafiz. Heidingsfelder. I'm assistant professor teaching media studies within the communication studies and design department here at Habib. I just called Emily Erickson and asked her if she would come over and give a public lecture and a talk. And Arkam Khan approached me and said, why don't we frame that visually? Why don't we add some visual information to the very abstract topic that Emily is talking about?
The world is yours and you can't refuse it.
My name is Sayyid Abhishagam.
And my name is Sumbul Zahra.
And we are currently majoring in computer science.
So last semester we took this course called Artificial Intelligence.
And the purpose of this course was to get a hang of how artificial intelligence works.
So we were both really interested in how, how Google recognizes our faces and Facebook also does it. So we were really interested in how all that works. What we made for our final project was this application that recognized your face. It also tells what mood you have right now. So if you're smiling, it would say you're happy. If you're sad, it would tell you you're sad. So in AI, what happens is that you create a model for whatever you want to predict. So we create a model using the landmarks on your face, and those landmarks, the position of those landmarks would actually tell you that what mood you have currently. Artificial intelligence is very relevant today. It's used everywhere. So this was just an introductory course, but we got to have an idea about the different algorithms that are used in AI right now. So it gives us insight about how technology works today.
Assalamu alaikum. Basically, we have designed a gesture control hand rover. So he's my partner, shows up, and I am Sayyid Sharikaza.
This rover basically works on the basic principle of head gesture. There is a sensor which is built on my hand. It detects the acceleration, axis of migration in my hand rotation, and transmit it to the Arduino. And through Wi-Fi module, we transmit that data to Arduino, and it moves accordingly to that.
Bluetooth module. It's going forward. So basically the accelerometer sensor is detecting the hand motion which he is providing, and similarly the car moves according to the movement of the hand. Thank you.
Thank you.
We've built a planetarium that can be controlled with their hands, and people can stand and interact with the sky and look at the sky. The aim of this project is to spread awareness to the people about the sky, about how the world works, how the world's spinning around the sun, and how, because of light pollution, you can't actually see the sky in urban cities or highly urban areas.
हेलो मेरा नाम से सफ़ी अली मूसवी है और ये हसन नकवी हैं। हमारा एक कोर्स माइक्रो कंट्रोलर्स का है जिसमें हमें ये फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट बनाना था। इसका नाम है क्लॉज रोवर। बाकी हसन ठीक है।
तो बेसिकली इसमें हमने वी हैव यूज्ड आवर आर्डिनो माइक्रो कंट्रोलर। थ्रू दैट वी हैव कंट्रोल 3 सर्वो मोटर्स एंड one base. We have used the Bluetooth application through Play Store by means of which we are controlling entire system. So we can show you our
So we made this project, Home Automation, in which we used ESP8266, which was programmed by Arduino. So what it does is we can control home appliances through the IP address, and we can turn which works through the Wi-Fi.
So we can control our home appliances through our Wi-Fi, through our phone. Suppose you forgot to close your appliances at home and you're outside, then you can control them. This is also very helpful for disabled people. So let's show you how it works. Thank you so much.
My name is Shahzeeb Zafar and I majored in Social Development and Policy. My thesis is on the macroeconomic policies of Pakistan and its effects on the people. At Habib, I learned how to merge different disciplines and to see the world in a more holistic approach.
My name is Sidra Dara and I am graduating in Social Development Policy. My thesis topic is exploring polycystic ovary syndrome in women, which affects around 10% of the female population. I aim to remove the taboo and bring a positive change in the health sector of Pakistan.
I am Farwa Hussain and my degree is in Social Development and Policy. I wrote my thesis on the waste epidemic in Karachi. I have also explored water distribution and lack of communal spaces in the city. I have also traveled abroad twice for summer school and a conference presentation.
Hi, so my name is Saeed Fareed Ahmed. I'm an electrical engineering major and I'd like to show you my project which I worked on along with Farjad Ahmed and Muin Abid. So what we have basically made is we wanted to control the features of the car through our phone. So we have been successful in doing it. Let me show you guys. So I started the car through my phone and I'm switching on the AC right now. So the AC is switched on and this is our circuit. So everything's connected in parallel and car की जो normal working है वो disturb नहीं होगी. So even if you put in your keys right now, it won't affect anything at all. And I can switch it off from here. So first the AC switches off and now the car switches. So another cool thing about this is that it can be implemented in any car. कोई सी भी गाड़ी में लगा लें and just go on with it. So that's our project and Ifra Jafri helped us a lot in this.
Hello everyone, I am Hasnan Raza. I am an electrical engineering major with a computer science minor. I am really passionate about robotics, hence my final year project is also an autonomous search and navigation robot.
My name is Anas Masood and I have majored in computer sciences and minored in physics.
Hello everyone, I am Hasnan Raza. I am an electrical engineering major with a computer science minor. I am really passionate about robotics, hence my final year project is also an autonomous search and navigation robot.
My name is Anas Masood and I have majored in computer sciences and minored in physics. My thesis has been to predict protein three-dimensional structures using machine learning techniques. At Habib, I have served as the president of the student council and the public speaking club.
I'm Sarah Ahmed. I majored in SDP. My thesis was on the culture of dowry in South Asia. I believe a life without love and kindness is barely worth living, and that's why I'm passionate about SDP, because I feel it serves humanity.
Hi, I'm Ali Rizvi, a communication and design major at Habib University. I have made short films and videos that have been screened internationally and nationally at various platforms. For my capstone project, I'm doing a very interdisciplinary project. I'm designing a DIY eco-friendly kit which I want to scale up to tackle food insecurity in our local context.
I'm Hafsa from class of 2018. My major is social development and policy. The main highlight of my 4 years in Habib is my thesis, which is on gentrification, real estate and power politics. It deals with the impact of Habib University on Pahalwan youth.
I'm Anusha Fatma. I studied computer science and developed an interactive storytelling application that responds to hand gestures. I was fortunate to attend summer exchange at Stanford, and now I'm working on my startup called Trash It that upcycles organic waste.
I'm Fatah Nawaz, and I want to use my major in computer science combined with my minor in literature to go into the field of digital humanities. This is why my thesis is an augmented reality app that tells us urban legends based in Karachi.
I'm Sakina Ijaz and my major is communication and design. My thesis revolves around educating people about organ donation and its importance. Everything about this university gave me something to remember. The faculty, my friends, these walls and the corridors. Everything.
Karachi.
I'm Sakina Ijaz and my major is communication and design. My thesis revolves around educating people about organ donation and its importance. Everything about this university gave me something to remember. The faculty, my friends, these walls and the corridors. Everything.
I'm Usama bin Rizwan and I majored in electrical engineering. My final year project to measure the air quality in Karachi. I have explored the freedom to merge academic disciplines and have also attended Stanford summer program.
I am Rabia Salim, an electrical engineering student. My thesis is a grass-cutting, obstacle-avoiding, autonomous lawnmower that covers an entire garden on its own. Among other things, Habib has given me an international exposure to education that has groomed me both personally and professionally.
I am Tabish Hazim. I have learned how to make computers fun. I founded a company named TaskUs, which is a platform where users can give and get help for any of their tasks. I plan to pursue game development in future and start my own studio.
Hi, I'm Hareem Salman. I'm a graduate of Social Development and Policy. As a Habib student, I've been given the opportunity to study at Stanford and Shepherd University. For my thesis, I am working on improving Karachi's waste management system by making it more contextually appropriate.
My name is Rehan Kareem and I'm a communication and design major. I was the founding president-elect of Habib University Student Council. My final year thesis is a video piece which tries to encapsulate the awareness or lack thereof of indigenous people of Gilgit-Baltistan about the possibilities of China-Pakistan economic corridor.
I don't think there's anything better at Habib than how we treat each other.
And it tells you that it's okay to think big, but you also have to think realistic.
And this is what I love about Habib, that it actually helped me grow as an individual and it gave me essential skills.
Habib University has made me work really hard and has reshaped me.
Switching universities 2 years into another degree, I remember how scared I was before joining Habib. Doubting my decision, concerned about the environment and the kind of people that I'd be surrounded by.